So what I was using before is the impact driver to remove the lug nuts, and this is just to like mainly to, you know, do screws and stuff and small stuff, but it removes lug nuts. And then here we go, this is 1400 foot-pounds impact 1/2 inch, and I still got the 1.5 battery only in it. So let's see. No problem. Put it back on. Easy. Good stuff. Okay, so this one is the M18 Fuel. This one isn't even the Fuel model, and it still did the lug nuts no problem. 1400 foot-pounds, 1/2 inch drive, impact. And the impact driver, you're just sending it through this little 1/4 inch, taking out lug nuts. Pretty nuts. And then you just put in the, oh, this is 3/8, but you get the 1/2 inch drive. Send in all that part through that, and it handles it. Not bad.